The hurricane in your hands. 150,000 RPM leaf blower that'll blow your mind and your leaves away. Tired of wimpy, underpowered leaf blowers that wheeze like a sick hamster? Meet the Comchoi 150,000 RPM cordless leaf blower, a beast so powerful it could practically launch leaves into another dimension. Unlike those sluggish, plug-in dinosaurs, this turbocharged monster features twin-turbine technology, blasting air at up to 190 miles per hour and delivering a whopping 680 cubic feet per minute of pure blowing fury. With 3 adjustable speeds, it adapts to your cleaning needs, whether you're gently nudging dust off your patio or launching stubborn wet leaves into orbit. Stop wrestling with cords and gas fumes. This lightweight, battery-powered beast is here to revolutionize your yard work. What sets this leaf blower apart from the rest? 2 high-capacity 21-volt, 4-amp-hour batteries keep you blowing strong for up to an hour on low mode and 20 minutes on turbo, ensuring uninterrupted power when you need it most. Unlike other brands that leave you hanging with 1 weak battery, we hook you up with 2, because we know the struggle of running out of juice mid-blow. And with a safe charger that extends battery life, you're getting long-term value that keeps your wallet happy. Why settle for less when you can have double the power, double the runtime, and double the efficiency? Say goodbye to sore arms and backaches. At just 3.5 pounds, this ergonomic powerhouse is designed for effortless one-handed operation. The smartly balanced build naturally tilts forward, reducing user fatigue by 30 to 50% compared to clunky, unbalanced models. Whether you're tackling your driveway, deck, garage, or even your car's dust-trapping nooks and crannies, this maneuverable, featherlight leaf blower lets you handle it all with ease. And with 3 specialized nozzle attachments, you get precise control for any task, blasting out debris, sweeping leaves, or clearing gutters with surgical precision. Time is money, and this blower saves you both. No more wasted hours raking and bagging, no more backbreaking labor, just pure, high-velocity cleaning power at your fingertips. Unlike overpriced gas blowers that guzzle fuel and choke the air, the Comchoi cordless leaf blower is a cost-effective, eco-friendly alternative that keeps maintenance low and performance high. Whether it's fall cleanup, winter snow dusting, or spring yard refresh, this blower works all year round without burning through your budget. Invest in one tool that does it all, efficiently, affordably, and reliably. Quality? Check. Power? Double check. Durability? Built like a tank. The Comchoi cordless leaf blower isn't just another forgettable gadget, it's the ultimate yard cleaning sidekick. With premium construction, advanced tech, and a 12-month warranty, you're not just buying a tool, you're upgrading your entire cleaning experience. So why wait? Ditch the weak sauce and upgrade to the real deal, a leaf blower that doesn't just move air, it commands the wind.